Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete time in Time Doctor. Now what you want to do is actually, so either on the desktop or the application itself, on the left hand panel you'll see edit time, right? I want you to click on this. This will actually open up the dashboard on your browser and you'll be on this section right here. It says edit time. Now you can see for this day I've worked 0 minutes. So go to the previous day, okay, October 11th. And here I worked 19 minutes. So let me find a time slot to delete. Let's say this one right here. I worked for 17 minutes on the project general work. The task was just other work, right? And what you want to do is just come here on the right hand side. You'll actually see this button right here. It says delete, right? I want you to click on delete. This is the action. And then it'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete this time? Click on delete, and this one will actually reflect everywhere, okay? On the application, on your browser right here, on your extension, all across the board. As you can see, we have deleted it, and that is how to delete time in Time Doctor.